Good morning students. Hello everyone. Today we will discuss class 9th chapter 4 values and data types. As in the last video we have discussed about punctuators and the types of punctuators means the symbol that is used to separate or combine a group of code. Today we will discuss operators. We can very clear with the name of operators that is used to perform some operations on a given expression. So we will discuss the different type of operators with the help of page number 59. Start with the definition. Number 1 is operators. Symbols which are used to perform arithmetic or logic operations in a given expression. Arithmetic means when you perform any type of plus, minus, divide calculations, and logic operation means when you want your result in the form of true or false or yes or no. They come in the category of operators. Number 2 definition is operands. Variables or literals on which operator is applied. For example, if we will write A plus B, then A and B are the operands and plus is an operator. Number 3 definition is expression. The variables, literals or values are combined to build an expression. Means when operators and operands are combined, so they make an expression. So start with operators. An operator needs one or more operands to perform any operation. For example, 3 plus 4. Here 3 and 4 are the operands and plus is an operator. So if we will write 9 plus 6 minus 4, here 9, 6 and 4 are the operands and plus and minus are operators. So we can combine one or more operands or more than 1, 2 or 3 operands. Next we will discuss the different type of operators. So there are 8 type of operators in Java. See the students, number 1 unary operators, number 2 arithmetic operators, number 3 assignment operators, number 4 relational operators, number 5 increment decrement operators, number 6 logical operators, number 7 bitwise operators and number 8 ternary operators. So these are the different type of operators we used in Java. Now we will discuss all the operators with their definition and example. Number 1 unary operators. A unary meaning only one operator requires only one operand. Now unary operator are of two types. Number 1 unary plus and number 2 is unary minus. Unary plus means example plus A. Now plus is an operator and A is an operand. Similarly, we can write minus A, minus B, minus X. Now minus is an operator and X or Y is an operand. The next category of operator we are having arithmetic operators that we will use in mathematics like plus, minus, multiply, divide, used to perform arithmetic calculations in Java. They are of 5 types. Number 1 addition operator, that is plus, used to add two numbers like if we will write A plus B. Number 2 subtraction operator, minus if we will write A minus B. Number 3 multiplication operator, means when we will multiply two numbers like 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12. Number 4, division operator, that is used to divide two numbers. For example, if we will divide 4 by 2, so we will get the quotient in the form of result. So that is called division operator. And number 5 is modulus operator. This modulus operator we will write in the form of quotient. For example, if we will write 4 modulus 2, so we will get the remainder, that is 0. So this way we can use the different arithmetic operators in Java. The next category of operator, we are having assignment operator, used to assign a value of an expression to a variable. It is denoted by equal to sign. For example, age is equal to 15. Now 15 is a value that is assigned to variable age. If we will write int a is equal to 12, then 12 is a value which is assigned to variable a with the help of equal to sign. So equal to sign is an assignment operator used to assign a value to a variable. The next category of operators, we are having relational operator, means used to create any relationship between the operands, used to show the relationship among the operands. They give the result in the form of true or false. Now Java provides 6 types of relational operators. See the students' example. Int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 2. Now we will discuss all the relational operator with their example. Number 1 relational operator is equal to. Now you can see a is equal to b. No. So we will get the answer false. Number 2, not equal to. Now a is not equal to b. So the answer is true. Number 3, less than. You can see the students, a is less than b. No. So the answer is false. Number 4, less than equal to means the value of a either less than or equal to b. So a is not less than b and a is not equal to b. So the answer is false. Number 5, greater than. Now yes, a is greater than b. So we will get the answer true. And number 6, greater than equal to means the value can be greater than or equal to b. Now a is greater than b but a is not equal to b. But one condition is true, so we will get the answer true. So these are the 6 types of relational operators in Java. The next category of operators, number 5, we are having increment or decrement operators, used to increase or decrease the value stored in a variable by 1. Means increment means used to increase the value and decrement means used to decrease the value. They are also of 2 types. For example, plus plus, that is increment. Example, if a is equal to 5, then plus plus a means 6. Means if we will write plus plus a, so 5 plus 1, 6. Number 2, minus minus. If a is equal to 5, then minus minus a means 4. Means from 5, we will decrease the value of 5 by 1. So we will get the answer 4. So increment and decrement means used to increase or decrease the value by 1. Either we can add plus 1 and in the decrement we can decrease the value by 1. The next operator we are having, number 6, is logical operators. operate on Boolean operands. Boolean operand means we will get the answer in the form of true or false. Used to construct complex decision making expression, means used for complex calculations. They are of three types. Number 1, AND operator, it is denoted by AND sign. OR operator, two pipe symbols. And number 3, NOT operator. AND means two values are equal. OR means either true or false. And NOT means whatever the answer we will get the result opposite to it. So these are the three categories of logical operators, that is AND, or NOT. Next category of operators, we are having bitwise operator. We can very clear with the name. Bitwise means operate on bits, that is 0 and 1. Special type of operators which perform manipulation on binary data. They are based on Boolean algebra where 0 indicates false and 1 indicates true. They are of 6 types. See the students. Number 1, bitwise AND. Number 2, bitwise OR. Number 3, bitwise or we can say exclusive OR. Number 4, left shift. And number 5 is right shift. So these are the different categories of bitwise operators. The next category we are having ternary operators. Ternary means we can take 3 operands over here. Use 3 operands to perform any operation. And it is also known as conditional operators. It is denoted by question mark and colon sign. For example, if we will check 6 is greater than 4. If 6 is greater than 4, we will get the answer 9. And if 6 is not greater than 4, means 6 is less than 4, so we will get the answer 7. So this way we can use the ternary operators in Java. So students, today we have discussed the term operators, operands, expressions. So students, today we have discussed the topic operators with their different types. Now revise the topic carefully, follow the example and explanation, and in the next video we will come with next topic. Thank you very much.